Okay, hey guys, welcome to a quite big unboxing. This is the Dell U2312HM. This is their 23-inch 2012 model of their 23-inch IPS panel monitor. It's part of their Ultrasharp series, and yeah, I can't wait to get this thing open. They don't actually give an awful lot away on the box, so I'm not actually going to go around the box for you. They tell you how to open the box and get the product out. Interesting. They actually have an unboxing guide on top of the box. Got to split the seal, remember guys, don't try this at home. And always do it under the supervision of sensible adults. So not me. As I'm sure on one of these unboxing videos eventually I'm going to cut my fingers off, and when I do, just for you, I'm going to still upload that video to YouTube. Okay, so first, setting up your monitor. Pretty standard, tells you how to put the stand in, tells you what's included, and how to plug it into your computer, and how to plug it in at the wall, and all the different things it can do. So fairly simple. Now, to be perfectly honest, I don't actually know how you're properly meant to unbox these things. I mean, if I'm going to show you at the packaging, that is the packaging right now. You can see a few things. Driver disc and documentations and a few other documents. So I'm guessing that's stuff like warranty. I mean, it's in Russian in some parts. I can't understand that. Don't know where the English is, but I'm guessing it's warranty of some sort. You've got the driver disc and setup guide, user's guide, power nap software, and of course your power connector, which you're going to need. It's made in China. It's a standard UK one, free kettle lead really, by the looks of it. Standard sort of UK kettle lead. It looks a bit like, or it looks exactly like this. So you've got that there, that goes into your monitor, and that goes into my wall. Different areas of the world, you'll have a different plug that side. You all know how this thing works. That works, guys. Yes, I am just shaking a high-end Dell screen. Like it's a rattle toy. I've still got another one of these to get out the box, so maybe for the third one I would actually have worked out how to get it out of the box. And my guess is I wouldn't have, but you never know. Oh. Right, let's move you in and move you down so you can see what I'm pulling out of the box. First, we have USB A to B. I've got an unboxed version of this already, so it just looks like that. Standard sort of DVI to DVI cable, and VGA to VGA. You probably shouldn't be using this, but it's always good to have one lying around. Mate might ask you to fix his PC or something, and it's quite an old PC, so it doesn't have DVI or whatever, it only has VGA. Very good to have a cable lying around. Or in my case, I have about 5 laying around. Next we have the stand, which is very nice. You can see the height adjustments there. We'll go over the stand a bit more, sort of, when we get to putting the screen on. So I'm going to move you back again. Move you up again. Right. Let's get this off. Bam. Bam. Get it out of our little bag. Right, so bottom here we have the 3-prong power connector, and here we have DisplayPort, DVI, VGA, USB in and 2 USB out. And on the side here we have another 2 USB out. We have the Visa 100 mount built into where the stand goes. Nice Dell logo there. Right, what I'm going to do is put the stand on. The stand's actually fairly simple to get in. You just need to put these bits of the stands in first, if you can see what I'm pointing at. There we go. Put it in, slot it in like that. Click, it's in. Really need a more wide-angled lens. Right, okay, so with this monitor, if I turn it around, I want the actual monitor to turn around, not the distance. Right. Important instructions: to set maximum display resolutions. To set the maximum display resolutions are on the CD. Interesting. Rightio. Never actually heard of a monitor needing drivers before, so let's remove this little note thing. Screen protector. Rightio. So with this panel, how good can you see it? That's okay. We have a couple of features. Tilt. So that's facing down, facing up. Pivot, like that. So you can put it into landscape mode. Turn, you can turn it all the way that way. And all the way that way. And of course, height adjustable. That's at its lowest setting, max at its highest setting. Fairly simple. You can already see another one in the corner of the screen there, but that's not what I'm bothered about. Can you see it? Yeah. There we have a range of buttons. We have a power button. Then the other ones are actually unlabelled, and there is instructions somewhere telling me what they are, but it doesn't really matter. So, there it is. I'll give you a nice view of the back of the monitor as well, with the stand connected. Only thing I will say now is the cardboard packaging makes this monitor feel quite cheap. I don't know if that's just my opinion or everyone's opinion or what, but I think it does. But that's my unboxing. Thanks for watching and goodbye.